I'll open this for you.
Thanks.
So the other day I went to the grocery store and this kid, he's like, can I take your groceries out to your car? And I'm
Well,
like,
you know...
I was like, no, those are my groceries.
Dude, what did your father breed in his laboratories?
Excuse me?
Because Scott, you're
No,
just not...
Okay, that does not belong.
I mean, are you sure? Because, like...
What you doing?